Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Wireless PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, we want to go over into the Settings app. From the Settings app, we want to scroll down to Battery. And in the Battery, we have a lot of settings, but we want to scroll down. And here, we want to go to Wireless PowerSharing. The reason my phone is not unfolded because it only works on the back right here. That's why I folded it up just so you guys can see how clean it looks. We're gonna go and enable wireless power sharing. Now you cannot use your phone because if you click on cancel, as you guys can see, if you do anything, it will probably turn off after a while. But here we want to enable it. Now we want to place our phone on the back, and once we do that, we need to press hold our device here. As you guys can see, we got the red dot. That means it's charging. Now if I let go and I put it again, let me quickly check if it already disabled. It is a bit tricky. It did, so that's why we need to turn it on again. And now let's keep this device charging. We also get the light again, and it works just fine. So that's how you guys can use the wireless power share on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.